Good morning, children. I hope all are you keeping well. I heard that few students are jealous seeing your elder brothers and sisters, especially those who are studying in 6 to 10 standard. Every day they are going to school, they are enjoying and coming back. Is it? Don't worry. Let us pray. At least this coming June onwards, you also could come to school. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 2, hardware and software. Today we are going to see different types of hardwares which are commercially used. These are the normal which you already learned. Types of computer hardwares like keyboard, mouse, RAM, CPU, hard disk, printer, monitor. Is it? But this class we are going to see which are the commercial hardware devices like which they will use in businesses. The physical components of computer system that we can see and touch are called hardware. Underline. Which we can touch and see. Now, which are the commercial hardware? Input devices are accept input from the user, convert it into a form that the computer can understand. Underline. So, input devices accept the data from the user and convert to the machine languages. We will see the first commercial hardware device in this chapter is barcode reader. Barcode reader. This you have seen especially in the back side of the textbook, or sometime in WhatsApp you have seen this one, or if you go to any supermarkets you can see behind the products you can see like these lines. And the machine is called barcode reader. It will read the barcodes and which contains the product name, product price and quantity, quality, everything. With just scanning of these bars, computer you can see the outputs. Next one is magnetic ink character reader, MICR. Mainly it is used in bank checkbooks. It reads characters, magnetic ink characters. Different banks you can see it. MICR codes which can be read in the banks. It recognizes in banks only. They have special machines. So what is the full form of MICR? Magnetic ink character reader. Next one is optical character reader. Optical character reader. Here the machine or input device which reads the characters which is typed in the printed paper. The another one, this is another optical character reader which reads the characters which is printed in the textbook. Next is optical mark reader. It reads all the marks. This is another machine input device which reads all the marks wherever you marks. You have seen it. If you have written some exams, you will write your answers in numbers by marking, and it reads with the help of this input device. This is called optical mark reader. Next one is card reader. This card reader not like the mobile card reader. This is a smart card reader. Example, if you go to any supermarkets, instead of money, you will give your ATM cards, credit cards, debit cards. Using these input devices, it reads the data inside the card. There will be a magnetic strip inside each debit card or credit card, or there will be a chip inside it. So when we scan using this card reader or smart card reader, it reads how much balance is there in this one, how much you want to transfer, how much G7 supermarket, Kaveri supermarket, or any supermarkets, or even for other shops. It will scan and read. So these are the commercial input devices, such as first you have seen barcode reader, MICR magnetic ink character reader, optical character reader, optical mark reader, and smart card reader. And again in hardware, another types are output devices. What is output device? Which convey information from the computer to user. Computer to user. The data which converts from computer to user is called output devices. We will see which are the output devices: webcam, microphone, printer, headphone, monitor. So these all are output devices which you have seen up to 4th standard. Now we will see which are the commercial output devices. Yeah, this is all of you are familiar. What is that? LCD projector. What is the full form of LCD? Liquid crystal display. LCD. What is the use of LCD? Exactly. It shows the output from the computer on the large screen. So look here, the small video, it will show in a big projector like a home theater. The home theater they use, here you see projector, and in the screen you can see it in the large screen. Next one is Brainly printer. Brainly. So we have eyes and we have eyesight. God blessed with it. But some of our friends or some of people, those cannot see properly. So what they use? They have another types of characters that is called Brainly. In that Brainly printer, it will print like a dots. The blind people, they will read this one. Example you see here. Each letter has its own Brainly letters. Using this one, the blind people will read these letters. What is Brainly printer? It produces Brainly printouts, patterns of raised dots, underline patterns of raised dots. In the paper there are many dots. With the hand they will read all the characters, all the sentences which all we read. Such kind of output devices is called Brainly printer. It is not a normal printer. The next one is plotter. Yeah, it is look like a small, but no, it is a big, huge printer. Plotter is a printing device that is used for creating high quality graphics, charts, graphs, tables, diagrams. Sometimes you have seen big flex on the roadsides. Big flex. Don Bosco Degree College, Don Bosco PU College, and SRS School. So there are many huge and political persons, big banners you can see. Those big banners, it is print through this plotter. Computer aided design, CAD. Computer aided manufacturing, CAM. So there are 4 types of plotters: drum plotters, micrographic plotters, inkjet plotters and flatbed plotters. So there are different types of plotters. I conclude today's topics that we have seen hardware and software which are used commercially. Please read it well and learn question answer and exercises well. Thank you.